Hey guys, this video, I know it's coming out late, so people probably won't watch it until tomorrow, but like, this video is, well I guess today, it's like midnight, this video is going to be more serious than some of my other ones. Again, no rewritten content, obviously, but like, I just needed to open up, I feel like, about some things. Mostly something that you were probably expecting me to address early, since I created this channel after it, and I'm obviously a giant nerd. What I'm, of course, referring to is the death of Stanley, which, when Mason told me, it hit me. It hit me hard. I haven't yet read like a single comic book in my life, but as just a general Marvel fan, it hit me like a truck. It hit me like a truck, honestly. Like, I went from having a good day, it was either a Monday or Wednesday, having like no homework or something, and I was like having a good day, and then he called me, and I was about to go into therapy, and told me that Stanley, the man, the myth, the legend, was gone. I can tell because of the poor lighting, this video is going to be really pixely and grainy, and I'm sorry about that. The man, the myth, the legend. He was gone. Gone. The same thing happened. The same thing happened with Carrie Fisher. Hit me like a ton of bricks. It was around Christmas too, and then her mom died after that. And it's so sad. I can't imagine. So yeah, that's one of the main things I want to open up about in this video. And also, I think I've been thus far sitting down in all my videos, so unless you look at the background, you might not know this, but I do and will be using a walker in the What If We Wrote franchises, like all of them. I suffer from a condition called cerebral palsy. It affects the brain basically, and my brain like doesn't tell the muscles in my legs to like sync up correctly, basically. This is the best way I can explain it at midnight. So I'll be using a walker. And I would just appreciate it if we could keep the hate about Wolverine and Robin and Peter Quill, like, using a walker, if we could keep that out of the comment section as much as possible. Now that I've pre-warned you, please try to ignore it. If you can, that would be great, because Mason and I have been really worried about that. He was like gonna have me play some minor characters so that people wouldn't get offended, but I didn't want to do that and kind of fought for like a day. So please just keep the hate about that out of the comments. Like, I don't care if you don't like it, but just like keep your opinions to yourself, please. Like, thank you. Excelsior. Goodbye, my friend.